And the big question is, who should replace Coach Jose Rivero at Orlando Pirates since his departure has been confirmed by the club? I'll tell you my preferred candidates, but let's start by looking at the options. Oqala nje, uPitso John Hamilton Mosimane, a vastly experienced coach. He's done and seen it all. He's achieved everything there is in African football. Done wonders at Mamelodi Sundowns, winning numerous league titles. Wahamba yakalakhi nakhona fikwenze njalo ama-Champions League anawo esewonke awu-3. And we know ukuthi Orlando Pirates loves playing Champions League football. I think nakwi-Al-Ahly waphinde wawina nama-league titles nakhona as well. Wayiqala lapha lento ku-SuperSport United, playing 6 cup finals, winning 2 of those, finishing second kwi-league neteam encane njenge-SuperSport, which is a very big achievement. But the problem is uPitso is what I call a checkbook merchant. A checkbook merchant, which means now he doesn't coach i-team kahle engenayo budget yokumsupporta. Ungasho ukuthi SuperSport wa-achieve, but that's what we've been achieving at Orlando Pirates. And more bheka i-level yabadlali be-SuperSport ayinawo ngaleso sikhathi lesana, they were up and coming superstars, abo Sibusiso Mahlangu, Dane Crate, abo Teko Mdisa, and all of those players, which is a similar situation nekhona njengamanje Pirates. But his highest finish with SuperSport United was second, so I don't see him improving Orlando Pirates with the resources we've got at our disposal as the football club. So angiboni ukuthi yini azoyenza kangcono no Jose Rivero ngama resources esinawo, unless azoya kwi-team enkulu njenge-Sundowns. I mean, team enemali eningi njenge-Sundowns and Al-Ahly ezombheka with a big budget. That's what I wanted to say. So yeah, I think he's a very good coach. Take nothing away from him, but recruitment policy doesn't really resonate with the culture of Orlando Pirates, which is believing in the youngsters, promoting youth, as well as buying the little known players and making them superstars. Phela uLotshwa ungamazi before adlalele Pirates, uManyisa ungamazi before adlalele Pirates, but sabenza baba ama-superstars, right? So Pitso Mosimane, it wouldn't be a bad choice, but angeke zebe number 1 kumina. Secondly, Manqoba Mngqithi, looking at the relationship Pirates and now Golden Arrows, I wouldn't be surprised if he rocks up at Orlando Pirates. Think about it, highly experienced as well. Ucoachile Sundowns, but as a co-coach, kunalento kodwa eyinkinga nyane enginayo ngaye about coaching big teams. Since bengithi i-Sundowns, they should give him a chance. Engekho uPitso or Rulani ubezobeqala le season ukucoacha eyedwa, and the-Sundowns unfortunately they never gave him a chance to prove himself eyedwa. So i-Pirates mangabe mqasha kuyoba into trial and error. Are we actually willing to embark upon such a project? I don't think so. Mandla Ncikazi, very good coach, but we big team right assistant coach. Ngeke ngabone coach Pirates sometimes would be trying to deliver a speech and abadlali bengamlaleli, they wouldn't give him attention yabo abadlali. So kuningi kakhulu kusokufana kwenze, but usefundile kaningi Jose Rivero. He's worked with like various coaches at Orlando Pirates, bona abo Fadlu Davids, bona abo Lokuzo Zimbabwe, bona abo Jose Rivero. Wouldn't be a bad choice, but not ideal. Fadlu Davids himself, I mean, he did very well at Maritzburg United, a so-called small team, giving them their highest ever finish, finishing number 4. Wabafikisa kwi-final Nedbank Cup, was a Pirates to gain some experience. Waphinde wahamba futhi assistant uZimbabwe eMorocco, wawina league last season nayo Raja Casablanca. Right now he's doing very well in Simba yase-Tanzania. I think number 2 league with the game in hand, so potentially could be 1 point behind the leader. So maybe worth considering, but to Pirates, I'm not too sure, but yeah, there wouldn't be a bad choice. Ukuthi nje khona le caliber le engicabanga ukuthi akakafiki kuyo kahle hle ukuba ready. Gavin Hunt, football yakhe ayifani Orlando Pirates. It's not in line with the Orlando Pirates ethos. He plays helicopter football. Ulunga khona ko SuperSport and ko Kaizer Chiefs. My preferred choice is Rulani Mlungisi Mokoena. Number 1, uyayithanda Orlando Pirates because his father played for the football club. Baba umkhulu wakhe uJomo Sono played for the club. Umkhulu wakhe played for Orlando Pirates. He's been at Pirates, he understands the culture of the club, and we have been developed, promoted youth to experience the Guinea League, we experience we have Champions League. I think it ticks all boxes. So Rulani Mlungisi Mokoena would be my preferred choice. Masngamtholi, let's go for another unknown coach from Germany, Spain, or the Netherlands. Otherwise, see straight eSerbia, because eMzansi ngathi siyabathola coach aba-right eSerbia abangasabi ukudlala ibhola. Mabuka bo Papic, ubuka bo Micho, ubuka bo Ramovic, former TS Galaxy coach who is now with Young Africans yase-Tanzania. You look at abo coach abanjengo Bekanovic, coach TS Galaxy njengamanje. So let's go for coach ongaziwa wase-Europe, or else let's go for Rulani Mlungisi Mokoena.